Hi, my dear student, 10th class social. Today we learn about the lesson, 4th lesson, climate of India. Once again, climate of India. In this lesson, we learn about these the main points. What it means by weather, what it means by a climate. Next, what are the climographs? Factors influence the climate and weather in India or rest of the world. Next, seasons in the winter and summer seasons in the climate of in India, advancing the monsoon, retreating the monsoon, global warming and climate changes, and AGW, anthropogenic global warming, like our activities in the surface of the earth, and the climate changes, effect of them the climate changes, and last one is the impact of the climate change on in India. Now we coming to the first. What it means by weather? The state of atmospheric conditions of elements like sunshine, temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, clouds and precipitation over an area at a particular time refers to, it is called a weather. In these all the includes of the one area of them, one place, here the weather condition. Now, what it means by a climate? A climate refers to such a condition over a large area and flows a similar general pattern over a last 30 years or more years to do a same condition of the weather on that area. Next, climographs. Climographs, what do you mean by climographs shows a average monthly values of a maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall for a given place. Suppose in this area, here is the calculation of them the climographs. Climograph of a few places in India. Here months, here the graphs. Here do observe here the minimum temperature, maximum temperature. Here the blue line is the minimum temperature, red line is the maximum temperature. Here the months of them the receiving. Here the rainfall. Easily understanding on the various places in the month of them. Here is the both pictures graphs do you observe, easily understand on the climographs. Next, the factors that a climate quality, a climate controls of these climatical factors. Some factors in these the place of them some areas. Here the first one is the latitudes. Here the equator, Tropic of Cancer line. Here the Tropic of Capricorn line. Here the Arctic Circle. Here Antarctic Circle. North Pole, South Pole. Here you go to the up to northwards, up to southwards. So here decreasing the temperature. Why? Because of them the sun shines receiving on the slant. Here the directive here. Here the slanting of the sunshine. That's why the influence of the latitude. Here the maximum temperature receiving on between them. Here no low temperature. Why? Because of the slanting of the rays here fall into the surface of the earth. Next, second one is the land water relationship. For example, in India, here to observe the careful land water relationship. Here in this our area land. Here the sea, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Here the influence of them here in the here the cool breezes flow on there. Here the warm breezes. Here the same cool breezes, small breezes. Here the impact of them land and water relationship. Next one is the relief. relief of a place. Suppose best example in our class. Here the mainly in the attitude relief here mainly the attitude. Suppose here Darjeeling, nearby the Darjeeling. Here the Darjeeling, here and other than the other here Meghalaya place, here the Himachal Pradesh, Simla, here are the high altitude. At the same time, here the so far equator is a cool down, but here in there here Ooty or Udak Mandal, same here there in our Andhra Pradesh, here there in the one of the place. Here the why because of the height of the place here in the severe summers also the cool in this the place after why and other than quite opposite of there the winter season is a warmer in this the places and also the heavy cool also there. Here the best example for the relief the futures in this. Next one is the upper air circulation. Here there the upper air circulation going to there the you are in the read about there the here in the 9th class standard you will be read on there. Here the belt tropical pressure belts. Here do you this also the influence of then the upper air circulations and at the same time to you and influence of then the here the in our earth rotates on its axis. This is the one of them the influence of them the climate of a place also then. And the seasonal changes also then sun here the rotate and revolution here the rotate of the earth on its axis and revolution around the sun. These are also the impact of them the climate in a place also. Now the average temperatures here. So average temperatures for the year drops as you go further away from the equator. Here the equator to go down there already watch on there. Next darker areas such as a heavily vegetated region tend to be a good observers here. Lighter areas such as snow and the ice covered regions tend to be a good reflector. Suppose here in our area. Here in the equatorial region area, all the world, rest of the world also the receiving the heavy temperature. Here the low temperature. Here the influence of them the light observers. Here the snow covering. Here why because of slanting of the sunrises. These are also a influence of them places. Next, the difference between the temperature of day and night. As the sun of the summer and the winter is not much. This is known as a equable climate. Here the suppose summer season in our area is receiving heavy heat and winter season is low temperature. This is the best example for in our area also. Next, the climate of India is also affected by the movement of upper air currents in the atmospheric above the 12,000 meters called a jet streams. Suppose here in our area, high altitude go to there. In our area, high altitude go to there 12,000 meters. Do you influence of them in our the climate? Here suppose here the surface of the earth in India is located here. Next here in the 12,000 meters high above them the influence here the 12,000 meters means 12 kilometers high above them the effect of them the climate. It is in the streams are in this area air flow on there, that is called the streams, jet streams in India. Next, the temperature in the Indian land masses considerably reduces from mid-November and this cold streams conflict till February. Now in the coming to the winter season. Winter season start November to February. In our India surface of the earth, here the decreasing of the temperature. Why? Because of here the sun rotates. Earth rotates it's an axis and the earth revolve around the sun. This is the effect of them in the country also. During the hot season, as we move from the southern to northern part of the country, the average temperature is increases. Why? Because here the go to the increases. Here go to a equator to move on the northern. This is the reason of them in our area. Temperature increase on the November month. November to February. Next here the monsoon forms in the tropical area approximately between the 20 degrees north to 20 degrees latitudes. Here them the 20 degrees latitudes. For example, here the equator to about 20, bottom 20. The north side, south side of it. Here there the tropical area. It is suppose here in this area. Here the example of in this area, Tropic of Cancer line to Tropic of Capricorn line. Between them, it is a tropical area, 20 degrees north. Next, bulk of annual rainfall in India is received from the southwest monsoons. Maximum receives in India in this the direction, southwest monsoons, north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. In this area, the southwest monsoons receiving. Here the monsoon seasons in this. Here again the return to the October month, northeast monsoons. Here return monsoons also called. These are the effect of them. The retreat of a monsoon is marked by a clear sights and a rise in a temperature, and also the influence of them, the retreat of them, the temperature. Next, other than that, the earth started to here global warming. Here them the global warming advanced monsoon retreat. Here the earth started to take a shape of the fireball, like here fireball. Here to a planet, many gases were released. Here suppose you are breathing to our oxygen and outside carbon dioxide. This is them. All of them animals also them the breathing. Quite opposite here there are trees. Trees are giving the carbon dioxide and outside the oxygen. That's why here the so many gases are released, and vehicles also used on there. At the same time to you instruments are used at our home also, them like fridges and aeroplanes also. Here the release some gases. Here the use of them the fossil fuels. That's why here the fireball, earth like a fireball also. Next, these the gases did not escape into the outer space because of the earth gravitational pull, and it still holds them back. Why? Because of them here the gravitational force. Why? Here in the magnet power. Here the goes on to the space, and here the lightly going to the, and again you come to the reflect of them in our surface of the earth. Next, here the atmosphere traps a lot of solar energy that reaches the earth by preventing it from totally escaping back into the space. It is called a greenhouse effect. Here, much of them, what is it? Here another data, AGW, anthropogenic global warming, means much of the warming has been occurring since the Industrial Revolution. The 17th example, it has started the Europe in England, 1700s. On that onwards, is because of the human activities. Hence, the current global warming is occurred. That is called the anthropogenic global warming. That's fine. Next, methane is said to be even more powerful than carbon dioxide also, as a greenhouse gases release on the space, the surface of the. And next one, another one is the AGW, anthropogenic global warming, is causing many changes in the distribution of a heat in the earth system. Here the suppose in our in this area, cold area, suppose here the heat of them, the here use of them, the heavy vehicles are used in this area also them. Here cold place, here the cold place, here the breathing of the here use of the here heavy heat on this in this area is the ice or a melts on there. That's why them here the change of them the global warming. One of the human activities that contribute to a global warming is another one is the deforestation. You use of them there here like this, you use the benches like benches, other than the instruments used on there, our comfortable there the life to daily life to you cut on there the trees, and at the same time to you mature grown there the use on there the cultivable land here the cultivate them. That's why then the deforestation of the effect of the global warming. And international efforts to form a agreement whereby all the countries were to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases has so far not been achieved. But now recent one of the effect is reachable there. That's now COVID-19. All over the world effort to decreases the AGWs because the world at the same time to announce the lockdown. This is the decreasing of the temperature on the surface of the earth. Now again to go to the here the back of them the early man to life on there is possible on there. Now at the same time to use of the in our the daily life you could have naturally a daily life to use here reduce decreasing on the global warming. That's why then today we learn about the lesson the climate of in India. At the same time to here do watch there the pictures. Here the climographs in India, various places is the temperature. At the same time here the latitudes, here then the means land and water relationship. Here relief features and here then the graph of seasons, winter season, summer season of them. Here the occurring of their advancing monsoons rating. Here the low pressure belt, high pressure belt in the timing of that. Here the graphs also, then some graphs. Here global warming, here the decreasing, here then the floods. Here are the some of the best example to you observe. And then thank you, thank you.